Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to BKS Sports with Bonginkosi. Thembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko. Kodwa lento eniyenzile ayengeke bafethu. Ebhlungu. Andiyazwela. Ngaqeda amathikithi nga3 hours. Maye thina nithi swathalephi. Ngoba sonke siyafuna ukuya stadium. Ngoba seyidelelane kakhulu this season. Ngono soyiqeda khona le eFNB Arena. FNB Black Label Arena. Ziyakhala. Kaizer Chiefs announced indaba ezinhle ukuthi they've added a new sponsor to the 8 that they had. Officially saying 9 manje. It is Ikapa, which is the kit sponsor, Kaelo, which is the health sponsor, Med Shield, which is the health sponsor, John Deere, which is the ground and the field maintenance sponsor, SuperSport broadcasting sponsor, and SuperSport Bet, which is a betting sponsor. We have a Toyota vehicle sponsor. Kumnandi nje naturena. Kumnandi. We also have which sponsor? Ngathi singayikhohlwa because it's in9. There's a Vodacom, which is also, it's a long partnership with the Kaizer Chiefs, which is the front sponsor, which stays on the kit. So niyabona nje ukuthi kumnandi nje naturena. What does this mean? It always proves our point ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, their main focus is business wise. If you can compare the work that they put in securing sponsors, in making sure that the team doesn't run out of imali, by making sure that they get partnerships with investors, it shows that in that department they are excelling. We have to give credit to the lady Jessica Mdaung, because she is the one that works tirelessly, trying by all means ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs get the sponsors, and as the head of the marketing and commercial director, umsebenzi wakhe every year uloku yakhuphuka, uyazibonakalisa. Akekho kuphela kwindaba ze Chiefs, and also she's involved with CAF as she's there kuma Club Association of African countries ku CAF. So umsebenzi wakhe wenza ngendlela encomekayo eyisimanga, because she understands ukuthi the profile that she's building is not only for her ukuthi abonakale emehlweni amafans we Kaizer Chiefs, but around the world, because she's very good at what she's doing. If you can say ukuthi there's someone ushaya ispan sakhe ngokuyimisela lapha eNaturena, is uJessica Mdaung. Usimele isibongo futhi wenza sure ukuthi uyasiphakamisa. This is a good deal, and a good thing is that the fans get involved in this partnership with the Carling Black Label. Kaizer Chiefs here, they made it a point ukuthi they put the fans first before everything. Now sesizobona ama-fans agcwalisa i-stadium. Le FNB abangafuni ukudlala ngayo because basaba ukuthi the fans, they don't come in numbers, sebazoza in numbers, because there are 3 things that you get, especially from this partnership with the Carling Black Label. It's a match fan experience, match day fan experience. Every time whenever there's a match of Kaizer Chiefs, iyakwazi ukuthi ibe khona laphana ikunike that privilege. Also, there are cash prizes that will be won every time Kaizer Chiefs idlala. That's a good initiative to make sure ukuthi fans, they feel important by this partnership that Kaizer Chiefs got with the Carling Black Label. And to top it all, putting ice on top of the cherry. Zikhala kamnandi ke manje. You get a chance ukuthi uhambe uye ku World Cup. The trip is fully paid by Carling Black Label. Since vele Carling Black Label is an official partner of the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Isn't that amazing? Because now we see, okay, even though football wise, Kaizer Chiefs doesn't do well, and fans always complain with no, we don't get the quality signings. But in terms of trying by all means to make sure the club survives by getting these deals, by getting these investors, it is a good thing, because club nayo ayigcine kuphela ukuthi if we don't get money from winning the competitions that we participate in, there's somewhere that we can go to, that we can get the help that we need. Hopefully we will get our quality signings, because this will lead me to the next topic of Bobby Motaung confirming ukuthi this season, the reason why Kaizer Chiefs is doing this good, it is because of the quality signings that they've made, which means is Lebohang Maboyi, Phesihle Ndlovu, Flavio da Silva, Khanyisa Mayo, if you are talking about quality. And consistent and proper planning, making sure they support the technical team. That's why we see Kaizer Chiefs either way in a call. Despite everything that happened, firing Coach Nabi, but we see that there's a step that the club decided to take. Let's focus on making sure that we bring smiles to our supporters. Lately, the performances haven't been good, but we get the wins. That's what is important. But from now, looking to the future, I think the club will have to make it their own responsibility to see okay, if we are talking about taking things to the next level, we have tried to enter the transfer room. That alone shows they want to change things around. But they will need patience from us, our fans, because we know ourselves. But the statement that he made, I believe it is partially true, because amanye signings, you can tell if it wasn't for I'm a free agent, ngaba swathulang. And there's nothing wrong with signing a free agent, but you need to have a player of a Kaizer Chiefs caliber, a player that you know you can rely on, not a player whereby you are taking chances. There's a possibility he might perform, he might not perform. To be honest with Flavio Silva, people were criticizing, bashing him while it's good preseason, but he's showing now don't judge a book by its cover. Judge a book a cover, but you must wait up until you see the final product of something. Because now I don't believe he is at his best. He's still trying to find that gear, but with what he's capable of giving us, I believe Nago, it does help the team in some way. But in terms of giving the support, I think into Coach Nabi bekayilwela, but obviously these co-coaches angeke ba demand, because now they are there to try by all means to grow in this kind of fraternity, especially when it comes to football, because most of the time they've been assistants, they've coached youth ranks, but they haven't been put on the spot whereby they lead a club like a Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe in future one of them uzozithola azibambelene I1, whereby there's no co-coaching but uzimela yedwa. But in future we have to be promised with kuzotholakala signings that are going to take the club to the next level. We are not wishing to get players that cost more than 20 million, but get a player that you see he is an investment of the future, and you know very well with his potential alone, it is something that will become a revelation in future. You see the ceiling, it is huge, because now we see there's a player Usiyanda Ndlovu from Golden Arrows. He is proving time and again he is a Kaizer Chiefs level of a player. But Chiefs, it seems like they are unbothered because they are not letting the noise get to their head, which is a good thing because you can't rush to make a signing because the player liyababaza. But the moment the player reaches a stumbling block, no one makes the noise anymore. The funds that you made in order to get that player, it will like it is now wasted. But for uNdlovu, hayi sengamane kuthiwa angilazi ibhola kodwa laphana mshini loyo. Mamelodi Sundowns seems like ukuthi they are very interested, as reported by Lorenzo Cola ukuthi they are monitoring and they are willing to sign him in the next transfer window. It will depend on club to club agreement and the player and the agent. And we know ukuthi if Mamelodi Sundowns wants a player, they'll do anything to get that player. Especially mawuthi uyabheka the way adlala ngakhona uNdlovu, he's a marvel to watch. Naye ushaya icross ingasekudala, but ngoba kusulilepo they didn't say ukuthi beka crosser bekuyigol. But the good thing is that that is a player. A player leyana overall stats wakhe this season, goal contributions 9, goals and assists, nama player of the month. So you see ukuthi he's trying by all means ukuthi cela ningibone, because the attention was on uPuso Tejane. Now uPuso akasekho, he's the one now that is making wave and he's proving ukuthi he's a good player. So Kaizer Chiefs yangal sign le player, hayi bobe bafambulile, but it's not up to them. Nabo maybe they have another player that they have in mind, not uNdlovu. But team yosecure signing kaNdlovu ayobi popile. The energy that he gives you, the goals, the assist, he is a team player. That's what you need in a player. Hopefully ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs lama games we CAF Confederation, they will make the best of it, because if we win a CAF Confederation, 36 million is guaranteed. Lokho kungakwazi kusiza ukuthi at least isithole ama players azokwazi uku-add ivalue, because khona kuzodedelwa vele makuphela isizini, because khona ubabonga ukuthi alaba ngeke bayithola contract extension. And now it is a perfect time for them to up their game, bakhuphula ama socks, maybe bangazithola ichance ukuthi bawakhuphulele ama contracts bawa extend. But as things stand, bakhona bazibonakalisayo, khona bangazibonakalisi. So bonana ku video elandelayo. Danko, ikhosi aliphele umoya.